guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be filming a little organization video and kind of gonna get my life together. I have a ton of stuff to do. I have to do laundry. I'm gonna try to get rid of like a ton of clothes in my closet because I have no room in there. I'm gonna show you guys in like a minute, but it's so packed and I just have so much clothes that I don't always wear and just don't need anymore. So I'm gonna try to get rid of that. I have to clean out like all my drawers and kind of just declutter everything and like get rid of stuff that I don't need and just like trash and stuff like that. And I thought, why not just film this, because kind of like a fall clean out, show you guys like how I organize my stuff and how I like get my life back together and stay clean and organized through all the chaos of school and studying and all that, because I get really messy during all that. I just don't stay on top of my cleaning, and then I have to like wipe down all my tables. They have like dust on them. It's disgusting. So I'm gonna be doing that. So I think I'm gonna start off with my closet. So as you can see, it's wicked full. So I like can barely like move my clothes around, and there's so many hangers just like sticking out everywhere. So I'm gonna try to go through all this and figure out like what I don't wear and what I can get rid of. And then I have like a ton of pants. Some like don't even fit me anymore. They're too small, and I kind of just like have been waiting to get rid of them because I like them so much. And yeah, and then shoes. I'm also gonna try to like put all my summer stuff and like my summer clothes and summer shoes away. I have some room like under my bed for storage, so yeah, just kind of get rid of stuff that I'm not using. And then also sweatshirts I'm kind of gonna like clean up because they're all a mess. And then laundry basket is over there. I need to do that. Start off with going through this. So this romper, obviously summer, like I don't need that out right now. These two shirts are just like summery, like I'm not really gonna wear them in the winter, so they're like off the shoulder shirts, so I'm just gonna put those also under my bed. Okay, this sweater, I showed you guys it in my like fall outfit idea video, and it's so short. You guys could probably notice it was longer, but it shrunk in the wash, so I don't really know if I would be wearing it in the winter just because it's so short and doesn't really cover much of my skin. So, and I don't want to get rid of it because I loved it so much, so I'm just gonna keep it just in case later on I want to wear it, but I'm gonna store it like under my bed for now. I'm also gonna put like dresses like this under my bed because it's just getting colder, and like I don't think I'm really gonna be wearing that, and I don't really dress up all the time to class, so like I'm not really gonna be wearing dresses like that. This sweater I have to get rid of because I went to go put it on the other day and the sleeve ripped, and yeah, it's just like falling apart. So okay, I'm taking out all of my like workout tank tops that I have hanging up, and I'm gonna put them in one of my drawers under here. I have like shorts, like jean shorts and skirts, so I'm gonna take those out and put them under my bed because like I don't need them in the winter because it's cold out. And I'm gonna store my workout shirts in there just to like loosen up this space, and this is like a big chunk of space that was taken up, and I figured that will like give me more room. Okay, and I'm moving on to pants. I have these that I think I've only worn like once. They were from Aritzia, and they're the brand TNA, so they're like a wicked good brand and like good quality material and stuff. But I don't really wear them that much, and I don't know, it's just not really my style, so I'm gonna store them under my bed. And then I'm also gonna store these white jeans under my bed because just don't wear white in the winter, along with these like, they're like a striped white and blue color, more for like springtime, not really winter. So, and then just another romper. Okay, so I have this pile I'm gonna put in this drawer right here. These, I'm gonna put them either on my Poshmark or bring them to like Salvation Army and like donate them. I don't know. They're like, there's nothing really wrong with them. I just kind of got sick of them and don't wear them a lot. And then this stuff in this pile right here, I'm gonna store under my bed as I just showed you guys. I'm just gonna go through all of my shoes. Okay, so this already looks so much better. I have all of my summer shoes I have over here that I'm gonna store under my bed. And then these are like winter shoes, going out shoes. I saved like one sandal just in case it's warm or like for going out and stuff like that. And then I have like boots in these for more winter time, and then like fall shoes. I had shoes like flowing out of here before just because I had so many summer shoes in these pockets, so I had like my sneakers and stuff just like sitting here, so it definitely like decluttered a lot. And then this is like my roommate Allie's shoes, so this area is just mine. I just cleaned all of that up. So sweatpants would usually go here, but they're all dirty. I need to clean them. And then this is like cropped sweatshirts and lighter sweatshirt type shirts. And then these three piles are just like my heavier sweatshirts and bigger, like bulkier sweatshirts for like the winter. All right, now I'm just gonna go through this drawer and store away all my shorts and then replace it with my workout shirts. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I just have tank tops over here, and then I had up here, I had like some cropped t-shirts stored away, so I just put those right here, kind of clean up like this area because I had extra room. So this is like bedtime shirts, workout shirts, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and store all of this, or try to store all of this under my bed. All right, for right now, I'm just gonna store everything in this bag until I get like storage bins. Gosh. Okay. The extra shoes, just like throw them under there because I don't know where else to put them. There you go. Closet complete. Now it's time to go through all of my drawers. My Alex drawers are just like a disaster right now and a mess, so I'm gonna try to clean those up. Starting off with my makeup drawer, it's kind of just like all over the place, so I'm gonna try to organize like my brushes and just like figure that all out. Okay, so this looks so much better. I just have my eyeshadows here. I have bronzer, translucent powder, blush, more bronzer, just like stuff like that on the side here. I have all of my makeup brushes, eyeshadow brushes, stuff like that. And then in this one I have my foundations and concealer, and then this one's all my eye products and then lip products. And in the back here I have eyebrow products, some setting spray, and then eyebrow tweezer, clipper. Okay, now I'm gonna do all the other drawers, so I'll show you. This one is just like random stuff. This one is like my face, you like can't see because of the sun. My face products, stuff like that. This is like hair, chargers, camera, random stuff. And then this is like my school supplies. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize all of those, and I'll show you after what they look like. Okay, so now I have all these drawers finished. So I already showed you my makeup one. This one is just like some random stuff. I have like a hairbrush, my blue light glasses, a bunch of jewelry, necklaces, earrings, bracelets, and then I have my pore sucker right here to like suck my pores out of my face. And then next one down is, okay, so I have perfume, deodorant. These are all my face masks. These are like lip moisturizers. And then this is another setting spray. And then I have like medicines right here, Advil, stuff like that. And then over here, these are all my moisturizers, body and face. And then here is all my like face creams and stuff that I use. So Curology, BioClarity, and Adapalene. And yeah, that's about it for that drawer. So I made this one all like my notes and books for my Monday, Wednesday, Friday classes, and then this one is my notes and books and stuff for Tuesday and Thursday classes, and then I also have some like reading books back there. And then what I had in this drawer, I have like this little box thing under my desk, so I organized that, and I put all of my curling irons, flat irons, blow dryers on top of these baskets. I don't really know where else to put them. And then in this basket I have like hair products or like hair accessories. So I have like bobby pins, headbands, hair ties back there, and this one is like my hair products, heat protecting, curling cream, stuff like that. And then I just have these on top, and also back here I have some extra face masks. Right, so now I'm just gonna wipe down my desk with this like little Clorox wipe. Look at how nasty that is. Like, that all came from this desk. Like, what? Ew. Alright guys, so that is pretty much all I had to do to get organized and get my stuff together and kind of just like declutter everything and get rid of a bunch of stuff. So I hope this inspired you to clean your room, get rid of things that you don't need, and just like stay organized. I love to do this like every once in a while, at least like once a month. I just kind of like go through everything and try to figure out what I need and what I don't, and kind of like organize everything back together and get it not so messy looking. Even though I'm the only one who really like sees my drawers and goes through them, I like to kind of just keep them clean. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did, and follow me on Instagram. My link is always in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next one.